Hello my beautiful people, mambo VP. So how are you doing? Welcome again to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment so we can come back for more. Today we are going to have a lesson on get to know your way around. Get to know your way around. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask for directions and locations as a visitor in a new area. So here we have a conversation between two people. We have Julian and we have Frank. And I'm going to be Julian and you're going to be Frank. So on Julian's side, mambo vipi? Mimi ni Julian. Mambo vipi? Mimi ni Julian. So this is what's up. I am Julian. So back to Frank's side. Safi, mimi ni Frank. Safi, mimi ni Frank. Let me hear you try to practice on Frank's side. Wow, that's great. So let's go back to Julian. Sentence number 2. Samahani, Bravo Coco Beach iko wapi? Samahani, Bravo Coco Beach iko wapi? So Julian is asking, where is Bravo Coco Beach? Excuse me, where is Bravo Coco Beach? Back to Frank's side. Bila samahani, Bravo inapatikana Msasani. Bila samahani, Bravo inapatikana Msasani. No problem. Bravo is located in Msasani. So let me hear you practice on Frank's side in Swahili. Great job. Back to Julian, sentence number 3. Ninawezaje kufika Msasani? Ninawezaje kufika Msasani? How do I get to Msasani? Julian is asking Frank. Back to Frank's side, number 3. Inabidi uchukue Uber. Inabidi uchukue Uber. So Frank is addressing Julian to request an Uber. So let me hear you practice replying Julian on Frank's side. Great. Back to Julian, sentence number 4. Ni umbali gani kutoka hapa? Ni umbali gani kutoka hapa? How far from here? So back to Frank's side. Ni umbali wa kilomita 3 kutoka hapa. It is 3 kilometers away from here. Ni umbali wa kilomita 3 kutoka hapa. Let me hear you again practice this Swahili sentence on Frank's side. Great job. So sentence number 5 on Julian's side. Asante sana Frank. Kwaheri. Asante sana Frank. Kwaheri. Thank you very much Frank. Goodbye. Back to Frank's side. Karibu sana Julian. Kwaheri. Karibu sana Julian. Kwaheri. So here Frank is also saying goodbye to Julian. You are very welcome Julian. Goodbye. Karibu sana Julian. Kwaheri. Let me here also practice this 5 sentence on Frank's side in Swahili. Wonderful. That's a great job. And this is all we have for today. But let me know in the comment section, how was it? Did you made it? Did you succeed to pronounce correct? Let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.